Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share the recipe of a chocolate brownie with you, and this brownie is stuffed with a strawberry cheesecake filling. The brownie recipe itself is pretty good, so if you guys don't want to make the filling, you can just go ahead and make the chocolate brownie and eat it like that. But I'm just taking it another level and I'm going to make it stuffed. So I want to admit something right in the beginning is that when I made the brownie stuffing, it wasn't white or pink. So I added some food coloring. I added a gel food color, and this was even less than a drop of it, and that made it completely pink, a shocking pink color, and I didn't like it. So if you're making this recipe, don't do that. So let's go ahead and watch this recipe, and if you like the video, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Also, there's a notification bell right next to the subscribe button. You need to click that to be notified every time that I add a new recipe.
So here I've taken 100 grams of butter, and to this I'm adding 95% cocoa dark chocolate. This is the Lindt brand. I've taken 50 grams. To this I've added 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. I've used the dark cocoa powder. You can use any powder that you have, and I'm going to warm this up in the microwave for 1 minute. Once that happens, the chocolate melts, and I've mixed all of this together and added 5 tablespoons of swerve or any sweetener of your choice. Also, I've added half a teaspoon of instant coffee. I'm going to put it back in the microwave. If you don't have coffee, then you can leave that out, but that helps in deepening the flavor of the chocolate. So now we've warmed this up and most of the swerve will melt, but we're going to cook it again, so all of it will melt later. Now to this mixture, we've added 3 tablespoons of almond flour and 3 tablespoons of coconut flour, and we're going to thoroughly mix this. So if you're lazy like me, you're going to continue with the spatula. If not, you can just grab a whisk and that'll help you do a better job or a quicker job. Once this is somewhat mixed, we are adding 2 whole eggs to this. These are large eggs. So any which ways, we got this mixed completely. And now I've taken 1/3 cup of cream cheese. I warmed that up in the microwave a little bit, to which I've added 2 tablespoons of a keto strawberry jam. You can use any berry jam which is keto. I have a recipe which I have shared, so I'm going to leave the link in the description as well as on the screen. You can check that out, or you can even leave this out completely and add some fresh berries and sweetener. So anyway, this will work. 1 dropper full of stevia. If you're using the Indian stevia concentrate, you might need much less, which is about 5 drops or so. To this I added a small egg. So this is a country chicken egg. If you don't have it, you can add half an egg to this. Some coloring, just the way I said, and that kind of made it ugly pink, but it was a mistake and you shouldn't do it unless you like the color. We have our strawberry mixture ready. So now I've taken an 8-inch square baking pan. You can use any one that you have, and I have buttered it thoroughly at the bottom and added half a cup of the brownie mixture and flattened it. I added about 5 tablespoons of the stuffing or the cheesecake mixture, and on top of that again I have taken half a cup of the brownie mixture, and I have added that in dollops because I want the cheesecake to kind of peek out of the top. Once that was done, I put it in the oven at 180 degrees centigrade or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how chewy or moist you want your brownie to be. In the meanwhile, I also wanted to make a version in a glass jar. Put the brownie mixture and then the cream cheese mixture and then the brownie mixture again on top, but this time I microwaved it for 1.5 minutes. Both my brownies are ready now. I'm gonna give it a taste. I'm trying the jar one with a little bit of my keto jam and cream on top. You can even use sour cream. Either one tastes good. Let me see the oven one. So I've taken some of that and then the keto jam, 1 strawberry and some cream. Doesn't that look delicious? Decadent.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching the recipe and will try it out. If you do, then leave me a comment in the comment section. I also have shared my Instagram and Facebook handles and other things in the description. There's a couple of links that link to my website where I have a list of all the ingredients and gadgets that I like to use in the kitchen. So if you're interested, take a look at that. There is also a printable recipe on my website. There's a link to all of this in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.